If you are in your late 20s, life has probably beaten you up at this point. Maybe you went through a breakup, maybe you felt lonely at times, maybe you went through some periods of not having a lot of money, going broke, and basically you're no longer this little child, like this dog that just passed, that doesn't know anything about life. You've gathered a little bit of wisdom. You know what is not working for you. You know some of your patterns. You know where you're falling short. Maybe it's dating. That is not the thing that you're succeeding right now. Maybe it's money. Maybe it's health. You have such a potential to grow, to change your life right now. But you're starting to feel a little bit the heaviness of life. And you better be careful with that, because if you let that heaviness control you, you will become like every single old person that is filled with regrets at 80 years old. And I don't want you to experience that, because deep down there is a version of you that doesn't want to let himself down. And I want to talk about this in this video, because when you get to your late 20s, there is a deep yearning to be more authentic, to experience more meaning in your life. Maybe you want to build a family with an amazing girlfriend. Maybe you want to build a successful business that brings you an amazing income every month that can sustain your family, your needs, your dreams, blah, blah, blah. Maybe you want to have a body that is not going to let you down when you turn 50. I know for myself that health has become extremely important as I got older, because I realized that, well, my body is going to let me down one day, and I don't want my body to let me down when I'm 50 years old, you know? So the journey now for you is not necessarily about pleasure, seeking excitement, going through crazy moments, though it can be sometimes. But the journey for you right now is more, how can I build something that is connected to my heart? How can I honor myself? How can I face discomfort that I have been avoiding my whole life? So I'll give you an example. 6 years ago, I was, actually more than 6 years ago, I was working in a company that I didn't like. It didn't felt aligned with who I was back then. And so I decided to quit this company, even though I was making very good money. So there were a lot of incentives to keep me working in that company. But I knew that if I would stay there, I would not be proud of myself, and I would feel this regret, because I wanted to be an entrepreneur. This was the thing for me at the time. I wanted to have my own business. I didn't want to have a boss, right? I wanted to be free. Freedom was the most important thing. And so I took the risk to leave the company and build my own business. And fast forward to now, well, I'm living this life, and it's pretty fucking amazing. And I want to grow this business even more, because I can feel that it has so much potential, right? Another example. In my early 20s, I was walking around the streets, picking up girls, fucking as many girls as possible, and really seeking the validation, the pleasure, the ejaculation. And it was fun. But right now, when I'm looking at this, it doesn't interest me anymore. It really doesn't. Sure, I can look at it and be like, it's fun. Don't get me wrong, it is fun. Yes. At the same time, it does not reflect who I am. because I want to build something more meaningful. And we all know that at one point, when you start to feel abundance in dating, you realize that it's fucking meaningless to fuck all these girls, because you're not going deep. You know? Maybe you build a 1-month relationship and then on to the next one. It's not fulfilling to your heart, and your heart is yearning for more depth. And so 4 years ago, I decided to go monk mode until I meet my girlfriend, which eventually happened. And now I'm with her, and we're planning to build a family, to have our little empire, basically, which, thinking about it right now, is so exciting. I want this. So the late 20s are really, it's a very important part of your life, because it's gonna dictate how your next 10 to 20 years will be. And you can easily be influenced by your shadows, your fears, your insecurities, right? Fear of fucking up, fear of getting rejected. And then you end up alone, and you're 45 years old with no girlfriend. 45-year-old broke, no empire to sustain. Or maybe a very unhealthy body, fat, because you didn't build the discipline to go to the gym to take care of your body. This is really important. I want you to write down right now what is meaningful to you. What feels the most aligned in your life right now? And what would you like to cut off from your life? The people, the activities you're doing, the work, the woman maybe. Because this period of your life right now is about burning what is unnecessary, burning what is no longer reflecting who you want to become. That burning is going to hurt. Maybe this burning you want to avoid, because it is uncomfortable to cut off people, to cut off friends, to cut off women, to let go of a job that brings you very good money and safety, to let go of junk food or unhealthy habits. But at the same time, the future version of yourself will thank you for having decided to take a different path than the path of fear, insecurity, and doubt. This is the crossroad, my brother. You're deeply in it right now if you're in your late 20s and early 30s as well. You can feel it in your body. You're no longer the boy. You have changed. Life has toughened you up. Something is calling you. Are you going to listen? That is the question. Thank you for watching. If you need help with this transition, I can be your guide. I'm going through that myself, you know. I'm not saying that I'm a finished work, that I succeeded at everything. I think in terms of business, in terms of money, I have a lot of growth to do. Dating is the one thing that I have mastered, I would say, and health too. But I am not a finished product, my brother, and I'll never be, let's be honest. There's always something to work on, huh? But I can be here to guide you, because I went through so many experiences. I'm about to turn 30 right now, and I can feel it. I can feel what you're feeling right now. It's very interesting. So if you want to be part of a brotherhood where I'm giving coaching, but also just, you know, feeling the energy of other men, being vulnerable and all of this, I would love to invite you to the Wildman Brotherhood. This is a space to grow, to become more authentic, to seek meaning in your life, to attract your ideal woman, to overcome the nice guy syndrome. There's a whole course on that. So if you're still dealing with this, you're gonna love it. You're gonna remove these people-pleasing behaviors. You're gonna learn how to set proper boundaries in a loving and yet in a strong way. Anyway, so many things to say. I see you when I see you, my brother.